Hello, it's Sotocap Mania, and my second box arrived to do an unboxing. Yay! At the end of this unboxing, I'd like to share with you, it's the last of my mermaids that I'm going to be making, and then I'm going to start on fairies. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. So the first item is the extra heavy mat that I picked up. I got it in the semi-gloss and then the matte, as well as some soft gel gloss. I needed to finish off the series of GACs, so I got the 100. And then I'm going to try my hands at some of that acrylic pour, so I got some silicone oil. Just a short haul, but I've been working on the mermaid, as I told you if you waited until the end, and here she is. Just have to do that side and that side.